Hi friends, welcome to Paramjyoti Yoga. Paramjyoti Yoga ki swagatam. The latest pandemic of coronavirus has exposed lot of issues which are occurring in our society. There are social, economic and health, lots of issues like this. But another underlying problem which came out was the issue of anxiety, worry, negative thinking, insecurity of the future, etc. All these affect a person's mental and emotional health very much. The ancient wisdom of yoga gives a boon in the form of pranayama, which not only is very beneficial for the body, but equally beneficial for our mental and emotional health. In this video today, we will learn such simple pranayamic practices. Few precautions to be taken. Before starting these pranayamic practices, make sure that you haven't eaten anything solid for at least 3 to 4 hours and your bowels are empty. Sometimes you could have a very heavy fruit juice or a milkshake or something like that. So basically anything which is very heavy in your abdomen should not be there. And another important thing to do is, in case if you have any questions about your health, it's always advisable to consult your doctor and then only proceed with pranayama. It's not necessary that you only sit on the floor and practice. You can also sit on a chair and sit comfortably. But the most important thing is whether you're sitting on a chair or on the floor is to make sure that your back is straight. You're not leaning forward, you're not leaning backward, or you're not drooping your shoulders. That's the most important care you should take. So let us start. Let us start this session with 3 rounds of Omkara. Form Namaskara Mudra with both your hands. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and while breathing out, chant Om Mantra 3 times. Have a pleasant smile on your face. Keep that gentle smile on your face. Let us start the first pranayama, which is called sectional breathing. In this, we divide the lung into 3 parts, that is the lower, middle and upper, and we will do a cleansing of the lungs by using pranayamic techniques. You can place your hands on your thighs closer to the knees by touching the index finger and the thumb together. This is called Jnana Mudra or Chin Mudra. Let us start. Close your eyes, have a pleasant smile on your face, hands in Jnana Mudra on your thighs. Breathe in, bloat up your abdomen like a balloon. Breathe out, flatten your abdomen. Breathe in, bloat up your abdomen. Breathe out, flatten your abdomen. One last time. Breathe in, bloat up your abdomen. Breathe out, flatten your abdomen. Very good. In the next part, we will cleanse the middle section of the lung by doing chest breathing. Breathe in, expand your chest. Breathe out, contract your chest. Breathe in, expand your chest. Breathe out, contract your chest. Very good. One last time. Breathe in, expand your chest. Breathe out, contract your chest. Very good. Now we will do the third breathing, which is the shoulder breathing. Try keeping your eyes closed throughout the pranayama. It gives a calming effect and it slowly moves you towards a meditative state. Now the third is called shoulder breathing or clavicular breathing. Here, while breathing in, we raise our shoulders gently up, and while breathing out, we lower the shoulders. Let's begin the third stage. Breathe in, raise your shoulders up. Breathe out, lower your shoulders. Breathe in, raise your shoulders up. Breathe out, lower your shoulders. Breathe in, raise your shoulders up. Breathe out, lower your shoulders. Keep your eyes closed and try to sense keenly how you are feeling internally. Have your thoughts reduced? Are you feeling calm? Try to get a sense of your mental as well as physical state. Now let us proceed for the practice of Nadi Suddhi Pranayama, or also known as Anuloma Viloma Pranayama. The benefits of this pranayama are innumerable. Once you start practicing the pranayama, you will realize its benefits all by yourself. For this, with your right hand, adopt Nasika Mudra. In Nasika Mudra, we touch the tip of the index finger and the middle finger to the tip of the thumb. Remember to do it with your right hand. Close the left nostril with your ring finger. Exhale through right. Inhale through right. Close the right nostril, open the left nostril. Exhale through left. Inhale through left. Close the left nostril with ring finger. Open the right nostril. Exhale through right. Inhale through right. Close right. Exhale through left. Inhale through left. Close left. Exhale through right. Inhale through right. Close right. Exhale through left. Inhale through left. Now you can practice this for almost 21 rounds. One round constitutes of one left inhale exhale and one right inhale exhale. So doing both sides will constitute of one round. Like that you can go to a maximum of 21 rounds. Again, after finishing the pranayama, observe how you are feeling internally, how calm you are feeling, how your mind has become so quiet, and how you are experiencing the peace. Very good. Now let us proceed to the third pranayama, which is called Bhramari Pranayama or Humming Bee Bird Pranayama. In this pranayama, we will roll our tongue inside so that the tip of the tongue touches the roof of the mouth. Keeping our mouth closed, we try to produce the sound na, nadaswaram na. So let us start. Another point to remember is this Bhramari Pranayama can be performed in various mudras. But since this is a very basic video, we are going to stick to the Jnana Mudra or Chin Mudra. Close your eyes. Now roll your tongue inside so that the tip of the tongue touches the roof of the mouth. Breathe in and produce na sound. Let's start. Breathe in. Again, breathe in. Again, breathe in. Keep your eyes closed and feel the sensations of Bhramari Pranayama. Try to keenly observe the vibrations, very subtle vibrations you will be experiencing. Congratulations! You have learned 3 basic pranayamas which will bring about lot of relaxation and calmness in the mind. Now let us end this session by again doing 3 times of Omkara. Come to Namaskara Mudra. Inhale. Om. Om. I remember this experience throughout the day, and as I go about my day, I maintain this awareness of absolute peace, love, and harmony. Whenever you feel you're ready, you can open your eyes. Congratulations, friends, for embarking on this journey. Pranayama and meditation are a very powerful combination, which are not only very good for our physical health, but also for our mental and emotional health. Hope you, your family, and your friends will immensely benefit from this effort of ours. Stay calm, stay relaxed, and stay peaceful. Om Shanti.